Oh gosh, in today's Django video, in the Django admin video, I am telling you about the include member, how to include a member in the Django admin. I am telling you about that. So see this video start to end, and if you do not see this video start to end, so your problems in your code. So that's why I'm telling you see this video start to end. And please hit a like button, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notifications also so that you miss out future latest videos. So now, I didn't take a long time, so let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's Django video, I am telling about in Django admin video, I am telling about how to include the member. So let's start and let's see about it. Include a member in the admin interface. To include the member model in the admin interface, we have to tell Django that this model will be visible in the admin interface. If you include means like if you add the member model in the admin interface, first of all we told to the Django that this model should be visible in the admin interface. This is done in file called admin.py. This whole thing will be done in the file, and its file name is called admin.py, and it's located in your apps folder, which is our case in the members folder. Open it and it should look like this. Open your admin.py and it should look like this. First of all, let me open it. Go on my home. Open my Django file. Sorry, this is not my Django file. Right click, log out it. Sign up for free. Continue with Google. It take a little bit loading, but it will be opened very easily. Yes, and then open your email, in which email you have made it your Django file. I opened it my email in which I have made it my Django file. Here my Django file. It has been made it. And in this Django file, I here in my app, where is that? If there is not any file of the admins.py, so what you can do, right click, add file, admin.py. When you make this file like here, let me tell you what you can do. You can paste this code like that. Now, like that. So now, insert a couple of lines here to make the member a model visible in the admin page. You add some couple of lines. This is like couple of lines here. It is added for me. Let me copy this and let me paste it. So in here we register your models here. We register your models in the 5th, 6th and 7th lines. Okay. Now go back to the browser and you'll get this result, and then you will get this type of result. If you are on Visual Studio Code, your result will be look like this, like authentication, authorization, welcome, join to a view site like that. Click members and see the 5 records we inserted earlier in this tutorial. Like that, like member object 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This one diagram. Change display. How to change the display? In the list, in the screenshot above, we see member object 1, member object 2 and etc, which might not be the data you wanted to be displayed in the list. It will be better to display first name and last name instead. Okay, it is very better to print our first name and last name. This can easily be done by changing some settings in the models.py very easily, and or the admin.py files. You will learn more about this in the next chapter. Okay, so in today's video we just learn about it, and like that you can do it very easily. Yes, and I hope you can enjoy this class. In today's video we learn about Django, in the Django admin, how to include the member. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please hit the like button, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notifications and also never miss our future latest videos. So for today, goodbye.